With BX Pro, your customers can instantly quote bonds from your website. To install BX Pro, insurance agents need to simply sign into their accounts, click Edit Your Profile, click on the Get Shareable Embeddable Widget button, choose which version they like, and then copy the corresponding HTML code. From here, agents will need to install the code into their website. Let's go over how this process works in the popular website building platform, WordPress. To start, navigate to the site page that you want BX Pro to appear on. From here, agents should click on the Text tab and paste the HTML code that they obtained from their agent dashboard. Finally, update the page to make BX Pro fully operational. If your agency uses a third-party web hosting service, contact them for assistance in installing BX Pro.